Hello friends, my name is Dhanaji Khade and you are watching my YouTube channel English Developers. Now we are going to learn about one of the 8th standard topic, Androcles and the Lion, its workshop. First we see margin question of this topic. Margin questions. First margin question is question number 1. How were the slaves treated at that time? Answer is, the slaves were forced to work for their masters. They had to do what their masters told them. They had no freedom, no rights. Question number 2. Where did Androcles seek shelter after his escape? Answer is, Androcles took shelter in the forest after his escape. Question number 3. What did the lion seem to tell Androcles? Answer is, the lion seemed to tell Androcles to help him. Now come to the question number 4. Question number 4 is, why was the lion in pain? Answer is, because the lion's paw wounded, sore and swollen. Androcles noticed that a big thorn had pierced one of the lion's toe. Question number 5. How did Androcles nurse the lion's wound? Answer is, Androcles bound up the lion's injured paw. He would hunt in the forest and share his food with the lion. Every day he would clean the dress the lion's wound. Question number 6. Where did the soldiers put Androcles and the lion after their capture? Answer is, the soldiers took them back to the city. They put Androcles in chain in the prison. The lion was caged. Now comes the 7th question. Question number 7. What did the Androcles feel after he was brought to the arena? Answer is, he felt weak and dismay. He was certain that this was the last day of his life. Question number 8. How did the hungry lion change when he saw his friend? Answer is, the lion saw the Androcles and rushed towards him, bounding and roaring. But after recognizing each other, the lion bounded towards Androcles, and when it reached him, it began to purr and rub its nose against him. Androcles hugged the lion. We wept with relief and joy. Question number 9. How did the emperor reward Androcles? Answer is, emperor ordered that Androcles should be set free. He would no longer be a slave, and the lion was set free as per Androcles' wish. Now come to the English workshop. English workshop. Question number 1 आहे 1A. Match the phrases in column A with their meaning in column B. Column A and column B. इकडे बघा column A मध्ये 1 आहे looking out for. Second आहे face to face. Someone of courage. Rage melted. Be moved by. इकडे anger reduce. Return slowly. Trying to search for. Fill with soft feeling. Try to fill with soft feelings. Try to be brave in front of each other. आणि आन्सर बघायचं कसे आहेत. फर्स्ट आन्सर आहे सी, म्हणजे बघा लुकिंग आउट फॉर, त्याचा आन्सर आहे ट्राइंग टू सर्च फॉर. नंतर आहे बघा फेस टू फेस, त्याचा आन्सर आहे इन फ्रंट ऑफ इच अदर. त्याच्यानंतर आहे बघा समवन ऑफ करेज, त्याचा आन्सर आहे ट्राय टू बी ब्रेव. रेज मेल्टेड, त्याचा आन्सर आहे बघा अँगर reduce. आणि पाचवा आहे बघा बी मूव बाय, त्याचा आन्सर आहे फील विथ सॉफ्ट फिलिंग्स. नाव कोणतं बी. बी इज read the following sentences from the story. They were bound by law to obey their master. Answer is B. The kind man bound up the lion's injured paw. C. The lions bounded towards Androcles again. The words bound carries three different meanings in each of the sentences. Means rush forward. A is rush forward. B is forced to follow. C is tied up. Put the correct letters A, B, C into the boxes according to the proper meaning. The first one is B, second one is C, and third one is A. Now come to the C. Now translate each of the three sentences A, B, C into your medium of learning, means into Marathi. A आहे बघा, मालकाच्या आज्ञेचे पालन करण्यासाठी ते कायद्याने बांधील होते. बी आहे बघा, त्या दयाळू माणसाने सिंहाच्या पंजाला झालेली जखम बांधली. सी आहे बघा, तो सिंह पुन्हा अँड्रोक्लिसच्या दिशेने चाल करून गेला. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 बघा, 2A आहे. 2A काय, फाइंड फ्रॉम द स्टोरी द अँटोनिम्स मीन्स अपोजिट वर्ड्स ऑफ द फॉलोइंग. बघा पहिला आहे काइंड, काइंडचा अपोजिट आहे क्रुएल. दुसरा पुअर आहे, पुअरचा अपोजिट आहे रिच. तिसरा आहे स्लेव, स्लेवचा अपोजिट आहे मास्टर. नंतर बघा चौथा आहे हाय, हायचा अपोजिट आहे लो. पाचवा आहे पनिशमेंट, त्याचा अपोजिट आहे रिवॉर्ड. नंतर सहावा आहे बघा अनबाउंड, त्याचा अपोजिट आहे बाउंड. नंतर सातवा आहे टेंडर, त्याचा अपोजिट टफ. 8th number is happy and its opposite words is unhappy. Find from the story 5 words that describe the sound made by the lion. Answer is moan, whimper, roared, growled, purr. Now come to the third question, number 3. Write the reaction that follow each of the actions given below. And answer is बघा first A आहे बघा, Androcles did not like his cruel master, so he escaped from the clutches of his cruel master at the first chance he got. B. The lions look at the Androcles spaciously, so Androcles paused and moved very cautiously towards the lion. C. Androcles bandaged the lion's injured paw, so the lions licked his arm as if to show gratitude. D. The hungry, ferocious lion was released into the arena, so Androcles was filled with fear, but he put a brave front. E. The lion reached Androcles and it began to purr and rub its nose against him. The emperor asked Androcles what other's reward he would like so. Androcles replied that he did not want anything for himself, but he wanted the lion to be set free too. Now come to the question number 4. Write in your own words 3 or 4 sentences about each of the following. The first one, the condition of the slave in ancient Rome. And answer is, the slaves were forced to work for their masters. They had to do what their masters told them. They had no freedom, no rights, even when they were unhappy with their master. They could not leave him. They were bound by law to obey their master, however wicked he might be. The second is qualities of Androcles. An answer is, Androcles was a kind, gentle and courteous man. He was a slave. He was very kind-hearted. He helped the lion when it was injured. He cleaned and dressed the lion's wound. This is the Androcles qualities. Third is even wild animals can be our friends. Answer is wild animals can be our friends. This story, Androcles and the lion, is the best example of this. Androcles helped the lion when it was in danger. He cleaned and dressed its wound and even shared his food with lion. Lion became good friends of him. At last, when they met with each other in arena, lion recognized him and showed gratitude and friendship between man and animals. Now come to question number 5. Narrate to your class any short story about kindness to the animals or how animals can be kind to humans. Write down the story in your notebook. Give it a title of your own. Answer है Faithful Dog. Stories. Moti was a dog living with Raghu's family. It was kind and loving to all the family. It was kind and loving to all the family members. One day, Raghu's wife was working in backyard and Moti was sitting nearby and watching over her child in the cradle. When Raghu came back from his work, he saw the baby's cradle turned upside down and the blood everywhere. He saw Moti lying quietly with blood on his mouth and body. He got so angry that he picked up an axe and hit Moti. The poor faithful dog cried out in the pain and died. His wife ran inside when she heard Moti's loud cries. She rushed to the cradle and lifted her little son, who was perfectly safe and sleeping peacefully. Then she saw a dead snake lying nearby. Raghu came forward and realized that his dog had fought and killed the snake to save the baby. He realized his mistake, that he had killed his loyal dog without thinking. This is the faithful dog story. Now come to the language study of this topic, auxiliary verb. Into the auxiliary verb means verbs that help to form tenses, moods and voices are called auxiliary helping verbs. For example, be, can, may, will, etc. The three most common auxiliary verbs which can stand alone in the sentence are formed of be, do and have. They are called primary auxiliaries. For example, she is a student of class 8. He does not or he does his work well. I have a cold. Then forms of be, am, is, are, was, were, will, shall, be, we shall be, will be or shall be. Then forms of do, does, did. Forms of have, has, had. There are another auxiliary verbs which do not stand alone in a sentence. They accompany main actions or verb. These are called modal auxiliaries verbs, means modals. They are can, could, shall, should, will, would, must, may, might, need, ought to. These are the modal auxiliaries. For example, he can work hard. बघा हे सेपरेट येत नाही तर ते वर्कला जोडलं आलेलं आहे कॅन. तसंच he will work hard. He must work hard. This is can, will, must. This is the modal auxiliaries. Now come to underline the auxiliary verbs in the following sentences. The first sentence is we have a holiday tomorrow. Then second question is Reena is injured loudly. Third question is you must wear clean clothes. She should talk politely. Fifth one is they did not help me. A big throne had a purse the lion's toe inside. The lion was caged. The lion was caged. Then Andronicus did not like his master. They could not leave him. He would no longer be a slave. The slaves were forced to work. We should show kindness to animals. This is the sentence and answer बघा. पहिल्या वाक्यामध्ये कोणता आहे हेल्पिंग वर्ब और ऑक्झिलरी वर्ब हॅव. दुसऱ्या वाक्यामध्ये इज. तिसऱ्या वाक्यामध्ये मस्ट. चौथ्या वाक्यामध्ये शुड. पाचव्यामध्ये डीड. सहाव्यामध्ये हॅड. सातव्यामध्ये वॉज. आठव्यामध्ये डीड. नवव्यामध्ये कुड. दहाव्यामध्ये वुड. अकराव्यामध्ये वेअर आणि बाराव्यामध्ये शुड. दिस आर द ऑक्झिलरी verbs.